Guys, I am addicted to Jeefs Famous Jerky, and guess what? We got some more. I can't wait to try out the flavors. Absolutely the best jerky you guys could ever get. I'm telling you, it is amazing. So, let's see what flavors we got, and let's do some taste testing. So, we got Pacific Red Hot Chili Pepper. Oh boy, that ought to be interesting. We got Old Fashioned Original. We got Cranberry Jalapeno. We got an awesome letter from them. Thank you so much. I will be reading that. So guys, don't forget, you guys can get 10% off your order. I'll put their link in the video description where you guys can get it. So you guys can get 10% off your order. Let's go ahead and show you guys what else. We got Sriracha, I cannot pronounce that, style black pepper, Sriracha, I don't know. We got teriyaki, and we got Korean barbecue flavor. So we're going to be doing separate videos for each of these jerkies. So I just wanted to show you guys some more. My mouth is already watering, so you guys got some videos to look forward to in the future. I did a video taste testing every single one, and I did a video taste testing every single one in one video. Now I want to review each individual one, so we'll make a video dedicated to each one. So be on the lookout, those videos will be coming shortly.